Just about to upload this video and I'm on the internet browsing to see what's going on. I just saw a report stating that less than 24 hours after permanent secretary in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Ambassador Sheila Seeley Monteith warned that Jamaica is likely to see more criminals, illegal migrants, and refugees from Haiti. The police reported that another group of Haitians has been detained in Portland. Guys, did you hear that? More illegal immigrants held in Portland. This is really becoming a crisis. This is really becoming a crisis, and the government really needs to do something to help the most vulnerable and to help people who are really in need and who are fleeing from persecutions. And it even get worse when I read some of the comments, and I can't believe our fellow brothers and sisters are reacting in that way. And why they are reacting in that way, and to see that look how many Jamaicans go into the US illegally, who go across the border, and you see them, it's not like they're hiding. They're on the internet, they're doing their thing, they're doing all of that, and everybody is wishing for them to have, to get through with whatever their paperwork requires, their immigration status to be sorted. Now that we have an influx of immigrants who are running from, a lot of these people are running literally to save their lives, because they are running with children, they are running with kids, they are women and kids. So it's not like a bunch of men running away. You have men, women, and children, and this is a big crisis that the government really needs to act on in a fast and efficient way, so that these people human rights are not infringed. The comments is so shocking, because it's as if a lot of us has lost our humanity. It's as if we've lost our heart. It's so disheartening to read some of these comments that is so negative towards the Haitians. Like, come on, man, we need to do better. This is not right. This is not right. People are literally fleeing. People are literally fleeing for their life, and this is the hostile environment that they are coming up against. I remember once in the UK when a few years ago, when Theresa May implemented some laws in regards to immigrants, and it was like it was the same thing, really, because she was making the environment hostile for the immigrants, where people feel intimidated, people feel horrible. It's like they're letting us know that they don't want us to be here. And come on, guys, we need to do better. We can't be, I know it's not, don't get me wrong, I know things are not easy in Jamaica. I know that life is very rough in Jamaica. I have a lot of my extended family in Jamaica. Close cousin, far cousin, close family, far. I have a lot. My neighbor string cut in Jamaica, so I have a lot of family there. And that now go change. So it's not like, and I know that things are hard. I know that things are tight on the people. Money is difficult, work is difficult to find. I should know. I have a daughter who left university 4 years ago. She has a degree in journalism, and she's still not able to find a job that is suitable for the studies that she has been through. So I know it is not easy to survive in Jamaica. But when people are fleeing for their lives, you have to show some compassion towards these people. You can't be treating these people in such a hostile way. I'm reading comments where people saying people coming to take away the land, people coming to do it. Come on, man. Come on, the government need to put something in place so that we are able to help these people. And I hope the humanitarian groups in Jamaica are coming together to do what they need to do to help these people. You understand me? Because it's not right. It's not right, and it's not right for people to be thinking just send them back on a boat to where they're coming from. You can't be just sending back people like that. You have to make sure people are safe. You have to, everything needs to be in place. This, honestly, this thing literally give me a headache, because the more we think, we as black people coming together, it's like the more things change, the more they remain the same. Because this is not right, guys. This is not right. Guys, I'm gonna add some comments as well to this new information that I've just received. And you can slow the video down so that you'll be able to read what the people are saying. Honestly, I have a headache. The comment them give me a headache, because people too hostile towards our own. You know what? I'm sure if it was a boat of I'm not even gonna say that. Me not go bother say what me I go say. But if I never them type of people there, and I'm probably some people from Iceland are up in I bet they wouldn't take in those people with open arms. But look at these people, our neighbors, people who we and them share the same DNA, people who we and them share the same similar history. Our history is so intertwined. You understand? And people really choose, like, don't be so heartless, man. Come. We as Jamaican, we need to do better. We cannot behave like this. We are a loving people. We like to help people. We are welcoming. We can't be dealing with people in such a harsh way. We need to find a way. Of course, I know we can't take everybody that come into the island. That's impossible for us to do. But why deal with this situation so hostile? Why are we dealing with this situation with such hostility? We can do much better, man. We can do much better. Guys, so this is just coming in. So it's like people are coming in droves. So the government need to do something like no. You understand me? Because people are run for them life. If people was comfortable or whatever, people now run for them life. A lot of us run from Jamaica and we run go other people country, and we expect people to accept us when we go. So why is it that we are behaving like this when other people are coming to our country? It's not right. It's just not right. Guys, I'm going to insert some of the comments. You can slow the video down so that you're able to read the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks to all the subscribers to my channel. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. And I hope you remain and help us grow together. Guys, the more I read these comments, the more it breaks my heart that we think in this way. It breaks my heart, and I hope that we can find back that love that we have, not we use. So that love that we have, that love and that sharing with others, we need to find back that so that we can help these people, because these people are our very close neighbors. I've seen them holding demonstrations for Palestine, and I'm not saying they're not to do that. They have all the rights to speak about whatever issue that is bothering them. So I'm just saying we need to probably educate the people more so that they can have look at the situation in a different way. But we need to do something. Anyway, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video as we watch how this thing is going to unfold. Continue to watch. On the next clip, we'll be discussing the Jamaican athlete and his family who they're facing deportation from Canada because their asylum case has been refused. It's not easy for Jamaicans to claim asylum in these first world countries, because our country of origin is not seen as a war-torn country where people are fleeing persecution and are fleeing for their lives. So it's much difficult. Anyway, stay tuned for the next clip, guys, where we'll be discussing that.